Are human beings creating natural disasters? You can turn back now, or learn the stuff they don't want you to know. Here are the facts. The annual Disaster Statistical Review found that 357 natural-triggered disasters occurred in 2012 alone, causing billions of dollars worth of damage. This includes things like hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and mudslides, the sort of cataclysmic events that can be prepared for but not prevented. Several scientists note that some types of natural disasters seem to be on the rise as well. According to Debbarti Guha Sapir, director for the Center of Research on the Epidemiology of Disasters, droughts, tsunamis, floods, and hurricanes have increased over the decades. As reported by Live Science, in 1980 there were only about 100 such disasters reported per year, but that number has risen to over 300 a year since 2000. While scientists are still hunting down the causes for these increases, some people don't think the answer can be traced to the natural world alone. Instead, they ask, what if someone is making these disasters? Here's where it gets crazy. These theories might sound familiar, such as worries that HAARP was modifying the weather or triggering earthquakes. Historically, there have also been concerns about the practice of weather modification, known as cloud seeding, or the effect of human civilization on Earth's atmosphere. Guha Sapir's team believes that this is partially true, at least in the case of hydrometeorological disasters. Their team partially attributes the increase to global warming and partially to natural variations in the frequency and intensity of hurricanes over time. Large-scale temperature fluctuations like El Niño or La Niña may also be responsible. For those who reject the concept of global warming, other explanations loom. Human development isn't just a matter of air pollution. As the growing population expands into previously undeveloped areas of the world, disasters that do occur are more likely to take human lives just because someone is living there. And humanity's continuing search for resources may also trigger disaster. Scientists from the University of Texas and Southern Methodist University found compelling links between fracking and induced earthquakes. Fracking, a drilling process that injects high-pressure water, sand, and chemicals into a well, cracks the underlying rock to access natural gas and oil. Scientists are primarily concerned with the disposal wells, which hold the used drilling liquid. But as for whether disasters overall are on the rise, it depends on who you ask. Some scientists will tell you that this is largely alarmism, while others will trace specific events back to larger contributing causes, often involving human intervention. It seems that global weather patterns, never completely understood, are being affected in ways scientists, relief organizations, and world governments have yet to understand. Unless there's something they don't want you to know. What year is it? How certain are you? Tune in and learn more in our next episode.